Hey, ever seen those drool-worthy food photos that look like they belong in a five-star restaurant ad? What if I told you you could make one just like that, using nothing but your phone and free ChatGPT? Yup, let me show you how. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's talk about the secret sauce behind all this, the prompt. This is the instruction that tells ChatGPT exactly how you want your food photo to be transformed. Let me break it down real quick. Phrases like dynamically falling into a bowl and splashing sauce add motion and drama. You can totally customize those. Maybe you want soup splashing instead, or noodles flying in. Now, here's how to actually do it. First, open up your browser. Google Chrome works great for this. Next, head over to chatgpt.com and log in. Don't worry, the free version is more than enough to get this done. Once you're in, look for the little plus button at the bottom. Tap that, and select Photo Library to upload your food pic. Maybe it's your breakfast, that one fancy dinner, or even a homemade dessert. Anything goes. Then, go ahead and paste the prompt we just talked about into the chat. You can leave it as is, or tweak it based on your photo. If you're lazy, I've dropped the prompt in the description so you can just copy and paste. Now hit send and sit back for a moment while the AI does its thing. In a few seconds or maybe a minute, you'll see your food photo transformed into this stunning ad-level image that looks like it came out of a commercial shoot. When it's ready, just tap and hold on the image and hit download. Boom! Your masterpiece is saved and ready to flex on Instagram or wherever you want. And that's it. Who knew food photography could be this easy? No expensive gear, no editing apps, just ChatGPT and a smart prompt. If you give this a try, and your jaw drops at the result, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your creation, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more fun AI tricks. See you next time.